in there, you can roll it. Okay, now we're rolling the putty, the plumber's putty. So we're going to put that around the rim of here. Good job. You want to roll it a little more? Good job, buddy.
Too long.
That's what she said. Okay, so yeah, that's a good idea. That's good. Just how we want to do it, actually. Very good. Perfect. Okay, so now.
Wait a second.
Okay, you know, connect it. Perfect. I think you did it perfect. Actually, I didn't even have to help you. Okay, now you want to come over here. You want to walk over here. You can walk on the counter. Okay, grab it. Now we want to put it, bend down, put it around.
Too big.
Well, hang on. Just put it down there, and we can mold it. Okay, put it down there. It might be too big. You might be right, but we can put it here. Okay, so 1 second.
Can I keep a little bit after?
Yeah. No, you got it. No. Just how you were doing it before. Just point it down here. Point it down there.
Here.
Okay. Keep it there. So I'm gonna put it like this. You have it here? Are you showing it? So we do this. This is important so we don't get leaks, right? What do you think? Yes or no? Not important? A little bit important? Like that. See? Like that. Okay. So now we got that there. Okay. All right. Okay, keep it there. Now we take this. Here's. I'm gonna push that here. You do it. Okay. Push that down, right there. Okay. Push it down hard. Good job.
Can we get that?
Yeah, the excess. What's that? What do you want to do? You want to push it down hard. We want to make sure it's down really hard, and then we can get the excess. Okay. Okay. Gonna remove the excess. Good job, buddy. You're a good helper. You want to get the rest of the excess? I can help too. With that.
You can get them.
Okay.
Wait a second. I'm gonna show them.
Okay, you can take this with this.
No, I don't need that.
You don't need more? Okay.